everyone, today I'm excited to share my Thanksgiving tradition of making sugar-coated cranberries that will give your table the touch of a frosted fall. They're the perfect balance of sweet and tart, and you can use them to elevate the flavor profile of your holiday menu and dress up your desserts, cheese boards, and drinks. They're also perfect for Christmas and New Year's. For this, you will only need 3 ingredients: 1 cup of fresh cranberries. Do not use frozen cranberries as they will become too mushy. 1 cup of water and 2 cups of granulated sugar. I use organic cane sugar as it has larger crystals that accentuates the sugared look, and it's the most ideal for this recipe. Make sure to separate the sugars into 2 different containers because they will be used at different times in the recipe. Let's begin! First off, clean and dry your cranberries. Then place the clean cranberries in a heat-proof container and set aside. Now we make the simple syrup. Over the stove in a sauce pot, combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar and bring to a boil and whisk until the sugar has dissolved. Remove the syrup from the heat and let it cool for 5 to 8 minutes. The syrup needs to be cooled so it doesn't cook the cranberries. Once cooled, pour the simple syrup over the cranberries in the heat-proof container and mix to evenly coat. Cover and store in the fridge overnight. I always make these at night, so I let the syrup go to work while I go to sleep. If you're in a pinch for time, you can chill them for at least 1 hour, but the longer the better as the syrup will thicken around the cranberries. After the syrup has thickened around the cranberries, use a slotted spoon or a strainer to remove the cranberries from the syrup so they're no longer in the liquid. Now you can save the remaining syrup to use in other recipes and it will last you 3 to 4 days. Put them on a plate and toss 1 cup of sugar to evenly coat. To keep the sugared cranberries from sticking, place them on a silicone mat, wax paper, or parchment paper, and let them dry for at least 2 hours. Once the cranberries are dry, place in a sealed container and refrigerate until you're ready to use them. They will last you 3 to 4 days if they are not eaten by then. Enjoy!